Hi everyone, and welcome to Likeable Science. Today's topic is physical properties, physical changes, chemical properties, and chemical changes. I know, it's a lot to learn, but I'm here to walk you through it. There are two types of properties and changes, physical and chemical. Physical properties can be observed without changing a substance. Physical properties are texture, color, shape, size, basically anything you can see without altering the actual substance. Physical properties can be observed when a physical change happens. So when an ice cube melts into a puddle of water, the physical property is the ability to melt. This is because the actual substance doesn't change, just how it looks is what changes. Now let's talk about physical changes. It's when a substance doesn't change itself, it just changes in appearance. If you freeze water into an ice cube, it goes from a liquid to a solid. However, it does not actually alter the substance. The ice cube and the liquid are still made of water. Chemical properties are the complete opposite of physical properties. They're observed when a substance changes into another substance. Examples are changing in color, flammability, foaming, and rusting. For example, when a penny's copper turns dark green after a long time, that ability to change in color is a chemical property. This is because the copper turns into another crusty substance that coats the penny, which is a chemical change. So let's talk about chemical changes. It's when one substance turns into another substance. A chemical change is basically a chemical reaction. For example, when you burn wood, it changes into ash. Since the actual substance is altered, that means that it is a chemical change. In most chemical changes, a substance reacts with oxygen to form other substances. Examples of this are an apple turning brown or a nail rusting. Finally, the things that undergo a chemical change are called the reactants because they react with each other during the change. The substance that is formed after the change is called the product. In a baking soda and vinegar experiment, the baking soda and vinegar would both be reactants and the foam made would be the product. Those are the basics of physical properties and changes and chemical properties and changes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And besides, what's not to like about Likeable Science?